You know why I said earlier that this is criminal, what is happening with the price action on AMC? Because when you look at the facts, when you look at the data, when you look at what is happening behind the scenes, it just doesn't make sense for a stock like this to be down this much, this quick. And this is just to remind you people that are still kind of asking yourself, is this worthy of still holding? Now we're back to 10 and we were supposed to go to $100. So what is happening here? Let me show you something that will actually give you a little bit of hope. I hope. Now, look at this post from somebody we all know by now. Breaking. Major brokerage say meme stock craze officially over with sharp declines into AMC and GameStop. Traders say steep retail losses on stocks like AMC causing retail to bail from risky stocks as prices of all assets normalize. Okay, prices of all assets normalize? What does that even mean? All right, now, brokerage may say stock craze is officially over because they're looking at the price decline. But are they also, so let me backtrack for a second. They post stuff like this plus, the call from the analyst yesterday saying that AMC is still going to $1, which makes no sense just by looking at the math behind the valuation of a share price in the stock market. All right. Now, they want to say this because, of course, they want to give the impression that things are not as they are in reality. But you know what is reality? The reality is nobody is actually selling. I mean, this is as of today, because if you look at the price change on AMC, you can see that we are down 12.4155%. But we still have 7,000 buy orders and only 1,000 sell order. So how in the heck is it even possible? Well, we all know the answer to this question. The dark pool. Because we have about 140 million shares on loan as of today, meaning they are attacking the price again. And I believe this is also a part of short sellers with big pockets borrowing their way, into short selling to oblivion the entire market. Because when you look at the VIX index, you look at, the bond market, the yields have gone down today and they remain down for the entire session. So something that used to put stocks in the green light, for some reason they don't, because the VIX is not dropping. I mean, the VIX dropped today, meaning this was kind of something that has nothing to do with people actually clicking on the sell button. So that's number one. And then number two, you look at this from maybe a fundamental perspective, all right? Cinemark, number one competitor of AMC, only 200 theaters, up 5% at nearly $15 a share after missing its earning estimate. But AMC, the top company in theater operating business with 950 theaters and beat estimate on earnings, and it's down 35%, down 35% since 2 days only. Well, if that isn't messed up, then I don't know what it is. Just to say that, this is just something that is being orchestrated. It's something that is being orchestrated by, few people, and we all know some of the name of those people or those companies, in order to drive a specific thesis, in order to drive something that will look like reality, but in reality it's not. So don't be confused. If you don't have time, then if you have to do what you have to do, do it. But I still, even with these prices dropping to $10 now, people within the community of apes will still kind of see through this whole BS, this whole horseshit, and find out that, the only thing to do right now is just to let it play out, because they cannot continue to do this any longer. Nope.